Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. In this video, we're taking a look at Experian, found at Experian.com. Experian is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, alongside Equifax and TransUnion. These agencies collect and maintain your credit history, compiling the data into a report that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Understanding how Experian works is crucial for managing your financial health. They compile information from various sources, such as credit card companies, banks, and other financial institutions, to create a comprehensive profile of your borrowing and repayment habits. This data is then used to calculate your credit score, a numerical representation of your credit risk. Experian offers a range of services, including credit monitoring, identity theft protection, and access to your credit report. Regularly reviewing your Experian report allows you to identify any inaccuracies and take steps to improve your credit standing. It's essential to keep track of the information Experian holds, as errors can negatively impact your ability to secure loans, obtain favorable interest rates, or even rent an apartment. They provide tools and resources to help you understand your credit report and offer guidance on how to improve your score. Furthermore, Experian provides educational materials on various aspects of credit management, helping you make informed financial decisions. By utilizing Experian services, you can gain valuable insights into your financial health and take proactive steps towards building a stronger credit profile. Keep in mind that staying informed about your credit is an ongoing process, and Experian provides the tools and resources to support you on that journey. Utilizing Experian services can empower you to make sound financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. Remember, maintaining good credit is a key component of financial well-being, and Experian can play a vital role in helping you achieve that.